楽しみにしてるんで、皆さんを盛り上げましょう。ありがとうございました。I look forward and fight tonight and give us strength and keep us safe. And also, I would like to thank to all the Japanese fans for coming here tonight to watch the fight. And also, Takakibara-san, Raisen, thank you so much for this opportunity. I hope this is not the last. And thank you for all your support in Raisen. And of course, he's strong and he fights good, fight well, even though he doesn't have a lot of experience in boxing, but he did his best to give you a good fight tonight. So congrats, Apo. You're a one of a kind that good peer boxer, and I really appreciate that. And of course, to all the Filipino fans who came here, kung ikaw Filipino, shout, Filipino! Okay, maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi.
こんばんは。皆さん、まずは、このような機会に、神に感謝したいと思います。おかげで力をいただいて、守ってくれました。そして日本のファン、このように温かくもらえてくれて本当にありがとうございます。高木原社長、ライジン、本当にこのような機会をくれてありがとうございます。これが最後でないことを願っています。安保選手、とっても強くて、